Pandas. Pandas. Pandas, 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 pandas. My pandas, welcome to the stream. I'm glad that you guys are here. Welcome, everybody. Welcome, welcome. Good morning. Pandas. Guess what? Guess what? Your dreams have all come true. BBM 90. 90% off evals until July 6th. To July 6th. I'm currently in a Big Mama runner here. I took this Big Mama and now we're in a runner. 4 contracts deep. Let's go, baby. Absolutely risk-free right now on this runner. It's a good place to be because you're trying to figure out how much money you're trying to make. Good morning, Pans. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Speedy Boy, good morning. Trades, good morning. Turtle Toes, good morning. Donald Smith, good morning. SLB Blaze, good morning. Sonic, good morning. FSN, good morning. Welcome, guys. Good morning, Alberta. 53 on the live filtered list. All right. We might have to keep the stream at this title. Just to work the algo. Pandas, we are in 4 contracts right now, and guess what we have for protection? The 20 EMA. 20 EMA protecting us now. It's a beautiful thing to have to protect you. It's good to have for runners, especially. We're in a 4 contract runner right now, Pandas. How far can we go? How low can we go? How low can we go? How low can we go? Is that a 2-legged pullback I'm in? No, I'm actually, it's more of the Big Mama runner. We're 4 contracts, $1,000 on this runner here. I'm looking for 12.5 points. How should I manage this? Maybe at 10 points, I'll take off 2. I want that 12.5 though. I like that 12.5 points. Good morning, Pants. Good morning, good morning. Kellyanne, good morning. FSN, good morning. Welcome, guys. Luffy, good morning. Exponential, good morning. Donald, good morning. Mixel, good morning. What time do I start trading? Well, I have no limits. I have no limits. But I start streaming at 9:15 for the main stream. But there are no limits when you're trading futures. When you're trading in the future, trading futures, there's no limit to the future. Ooh, I mean, Pandas. This runner's looking really good here. Jeez. Jeez, what should I do? How should I manage this? Market's about to open. 10 minutes. Oh, man. Pandas. Pandas. What do I do with this runner? What do I do? I'm already Super Saiyan. You guys know about this channel, Big Mamas. It's the bread and butter. It's the bread and butter of trading right now. We do have news at 9:45. I want to protect this, but I want to have like a forever runner. I want to have a forever runner. What can I say? At least at a 20 EMA, maybe? What? The 20 EMA is right there? It's not even that far. I think we can touch the 20 EMA. Should I just try to swing the whole 20, all of them to the 20 EMA? Pandas, is this called greed? Is this ultimate greed or what? Is this ultimate greed right now? Ooh! What should I do, Pandas? Ultimate greed. Do you guys want to see ultimate greed on this channel? Oh man, if we break this pivot low, Pandas, we're in good shape. If we break this pivot low, Pandas. Super Saiyan! Don't do that. Don't give me that micro quad bottom. No, you're going the wrong way. You don't want to see green. No to green. We have this like small trading range right here developing, but guess what we have as protection? The 20 EMA. Bouncing off the 20 EMA perfectly, as you can see, 2 times. good news for us if we're in this runner. I just don't like to see the color green right now. I want to see all red. All I want to see is red right now. We're running 4 contracts, pandas. All or nothing. Should we do it? Should we do it all or nothing? I mean, we got to get this balance up to 7,500. We got to do something drastic someday. This could be it, pandas. This could be the one. This could be the one. We've been waiting for this for a long time. A big mama runner. I mean, look at yesterday's price action. It's insane. The moment market opened, just fell like a rock. Just fell like a rock. The daily chart's gonna look wacky. The daily chart's gonna look wacky. Oof. Okay, I don't mind. I don't mind that. I want it to end beneath the 50% mark of the bars range. Ugh. It feels nasty whenever it pops up a little bit. Just feels nasty. Kellyanne says lock in profits. Should I though? Should I lock in profits is the question. Half and half. How do you get the 9% code to give out? I don't want to tell you that. Pandas, BBM 90% off. I'm not going to shill other people's... Why would I do that? That's silly. That's just straight silly. That's just silly. BBM 90, guys. 90% off. Your prayers have been answered. 90% off all evals until July 6th. And it's good because we got some big news maybe happening next week. And that means you can make or break your trades, your accounts. Truly. Yes. It's actually nice because on July 6th we have actually on July 5th we have FOMC meeting minutes. So, I mean, potentially we have news that we can potentially make or break our accounts. Pandas. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I would like a nice solid push down right now. I like a nice push down. I mean, I'm attacked. This my order is on the daily 20 EMA. I'm thinking it's gonna be a magnet to it, but running 4 contracts to it, it feels so greedy. What can I say? It feels greedy. It feels real greedy. Insanely greedy. I mean, at least 10 points, right? We gotta get at least 10 points. Maybe I'll do something like this. Some weird ladder thing like this. But I just don't have any reason to think we're gonna go long right now. Alright, Panis. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna manage 3 contracts closely. And if I have a sense that it's gonna reverse, I'm gonna take out 3 contracts. But I'm gonna leave one like miracle runner just in case. Just in case. Okay, I would love a trap trade here. Trap trade would be beautiful here if we can get it. It's just going completely sideways right now. $12.5 points is good. It's a good target though. I look for that 12.5. 10-point target is usually what people look for. License penalty, yes, it's 80% off the recurring months. So you have 90% off the first month and then 80% off after that. Market looks like it's frozen. Is my chart messed up? I don't know. It's going so slow. It's doing nothing right now. Market's about to open in 2.5 minutes. We do have news at 9:45. The news is nothing. I don't think anything very significant, but it could be. It could be. It's considered high impact news, and so it could actually move the markets. But who knows? Trailing threshold. Yep. As long as I'm beneath 7,500, the trailing threshold will be an issue. Oh, we're getting a nice push up. We're getting, let me see some red. That's all I want to see. I just want to see some red. I want this to start dripping. Just dripping. It's absolute. Just pouring out here. That's what I want. 12.5 points. That's what we're looking for here. Okay, it's looking good, pandas. I mean, it's looking like it's dripping. It looks like it just wants to drip. Too much drip. Oof. I mean, we have the 20 EMA protecting us. We have these pivots to protect us. We just have a lot of things protecting us from really reversing strong here. Hopefully this will just be like, what's the opposite of a short squeeze? What's the opposite of a short squeeze? A tall spread? I don't know. Okay, I don't mind triggering this. If we get a trap trade, that would be even better. It'll accelerate the downward movement. I don't mind that little pop up. If we get a trap trade here, this can really accelerate to the downside. Seriously can accelerate to the downside. We've got 10 seconds to market opens. A long spread is the opposite of a short squeeze.
5-minute trap.
Ooh, okay. I wish it triggered that trap instead. Trap may trigger here. Come on. No. 20 EMA, come on. We still have the 20 EMA protect us. Oh, trigger that trap, please. Please trigger that trap. Give me a nice push down. Oh, I know people are covering their shorts right now. People have to be covering their shorts. Break this low. Come on. Break the low here. Come on. No. No. Inside bar, pushing to the upside. 20 EMA. Please protect us. Come to Papa. Ooh! Pandas, we just triggered a trap. This could waterfall. This trap could seriously create a waterfall here. The bulls were not expecting that trap to trigger. Pandas. I have no reason to think we're going long. I have no reason to think we're reversing here. No reason to be scared. If you're scared, it's because you're terrible at trading. I am not nervous. I am not one bit nervous here. I am not even 1% nervous. I have no nervousness in my body. I'm not nervous this is going to reverse on me and just rip my face off. If you're nervous of that, then it's because you're a bad trader. You're just stupid. You're just dumb. Pandas! No! Anytime it moves back up, it scares me. I just need this to just like waterfall down right now. Just waterfall down. Ooh, more bear bars. No green. I don't see any green. No more reversals from here. No! No! No more reversals. I don't need a reversal. Who said reversal? No! 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 No solid bull bar, please. No solid bull bar. Okay. It's a little wick there. Pandas, we got a little wick. We still got a 20 EMA. 20 EMA protecting us, pandas. We still got the 20 EMA. EMA. Hopefully it will protect. Hopefully people have limit orders to sell off the 20 EMA here. That's what I'm hoping for right now, pandas. No, solid bull bars. No, going above the 20 EMA. No, 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 no. Why? Why? Okay, 20 EMA protecting us. As long as we don't close above the 20 EMA, I feel okay. As long as we don't close above the 20 EMA, I feel okay. As long as we don't close above... Hey, that sounds like a wrap. As long as we don't close above the 20 EMA, we're all okay. Alright. Pandas. No. Second entry short, maybe? Man. I hate that. I hate that. Come on. If we get 2 closes above the 20 EMA, I may just skunk my 3 contracts here and see if we still have a miracle runner. Ooh, okay, 20 EMA. I think it's doing its job. I think it will do its job. Do your job. You had one job. You had one job. Just don't close above it. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Alright, if we get a trap trade, I'm going to get out of the trap trade. If we get a fail second entry short, I'll get out. Get my 3 contracts. Just close. Keep closing beneath it. I'm okay as we are continuing to close beneath the 20 EMA here.
10,000 tick trap.
This doesn't look good. This does not look good, pandas. Solid bull bar. Solid bull bar. Man! Okay. If we get one more close above the 20 EMA, I may get out. I may just skunk it. At least 3 of my contracts. Darn. Yeah, we're closing above it. I'm out. I'm taking out my 3 contracts right there. Basically coming out where we came out on Big Mama. And I'm going to see if the Miracle Runner can last. That's it. That's it. Darn. Man, pandas. I thought this was the one. I thought this was the one. Looks like better luck next time. Better luck next time. It feels like it's gonna get me here. What can I say? What can I say? If it reverses here, I'm gonna be upset. I wanted to hit my break even now. I wanted to. So I know that skunk was not in vain. If it reverses here on a dime, I'll be mad. Okay, pandas. Hey, I'm glad. I'm glad that took me out. I'm glad that took me out, pandas. Woo! We're up 1,895. Let's go, baby. Easy peasy, easy money. Getting that bamboo early. Still the most profitable trader on YouTube, verified. That was all from Big Mama. Yes, sir. All from one single setup. Pandas. Why? Why? Look at this. Look at this bull bar just Sharyukin my stop. Jeez, if it reverses here, that's like literally to the tick. A tick stop loss. Taking me out by the tick here. Goodness. Darn, pandas. I mean, pandas can dream, right? Pandas can dream. Hey, pandas. Hey, but hey, we can still trade, right? We can still get some more bamboo. I was up like 1,200 on that. Oh my god. Oh my god. I had some bamboo. I had some good bamboo. I just wanted more. I don't know. Maybe it was just greed. I just felt like I'll come out once I feel like we have strong reversal signs. And to me, the strong 2 bull bars above the 20 MA was a sign for me to abort and just say, okay, you know, it's reversing now or has potential to reverse. But as long as we were underneath the 20 MA, I didn't have much fear that we were going to reverse. I mean, we had the 20 MA after all. Okay, this trap is failing right now. It could push back down. And if you really feel strongly like it's going to keep going down, then you can re-enter your position again. You can just do a 4 contract trade here and then go short. Maybe a double top here. I don't know, pandas. I don't know what's going on. If it took me out by the tick here and then pushes down all the way, that might be the definition of frustration. Oh my. Oh my. Pandas. If this reverses right onto the tick of my stop loss, pandas. Pandas. Oh my. Pandas. Okay, pandas. This is not cool. This is not cool. We have news at 9:45. The news is Flash Manufacturing PMI and Flash Services PMI. Typically, I don't think that has there's something about news that does, if it doesn't actually happen on like the, you know, the bottom of the hour or the top of the hour, which is like either on the 9:30 ones, if it's, or 8:30, or if it's like 10 o'clock, or if it's like 2 o'clock. Usually the big news items are kind of like in those time slots. But the news is like at 9:45. I don't know. I don't know. I'm gonna take a trap trade here. This trap fails, so I'm gonna take a trap here. Let's get a runner just in case. Second entry long here. Alright, this trap fails. Second entry long. Look at these wicks. Do you really want to trade into these wicks here? I don't. 3 wicks. Maybe a small bear flag here forming, but I don't like these wicks here. What can I say? I'm in this trade. This could reverse. Oh, this is gonna rip my face off, huh? Alright, rip my face off. 2 traps, 2 failed traps in a row. I'm gonna sit in my pause for a second. I'm gonna munch on some panda treats. So the reason why I wanted to take that trade is because I had FOMO, thinking it was going to take my stop out by 1 tick and then finally go really far down. And I wanted to capture that. So I took the best setup possible, which is a fail second entry long, and it reverses. So I'm okay with that because of the potential of it really pushing down here. But now we're pushing up. Maybe look for a trap trade to the long side again. Fail second entry short. Maybe looking for a new high on this small uptrend here. Second entry short here. Creating like a 1, 2, 3 failures all in the same spot. But we're above the 20 MA, so you know how I feel about that. It's a beautiful looking signal bar too. We could be in trading range as well. Trading range created by the trading range indicator. Come back to the bottom of the trading range. News in about 2 minutes. Pandas, nothing beats fruit in its season. Oh man, that second just short. Okay. Maybe coming back to the bottom of the trading range. It makes sense. I'll probably wait till after news to make my next trade. But pandas, what? Nothing beats fruit in its season. Right now, strawberries are just killing it. They're killing it, man. Trading range indicator doing its job once again. Bouncing perfectly 1, 2, 3 hits off the top of this trading range. Now we're getting a nice push down here. Just eating some, basically like a parfait yogurt. Homemade oatmeal made by Mrs. Panda. Strawberries from the farmer's market. Some honey from Lancaster, Pennsylvania. And toasted walnuts. Not bad. Not bad. That's how champions start their day. Alright, we're continuing to push down. Now we're beneath the 20 MA. Probably maybe test the bottom of the trading range. You guys want to hear Mrs. Panda? Nah, she's shy. She's a shy panda. Setting my pause until news, 10 seconds. Alright, news just dropped. Still in this trading range here. Hitting the top of the trading range. News being a little finicky here.
10,000 tick trap.
Semi-frustrating still because guess what, pandas? We still got our stop loss to the tick. To the tick. And we haven't even reached that spot again. Very interesting. Top of the trade back to the bottom of the trading range. I may take a trap trade here, thinking that we got some sort of downtrend going on. I don't want an outside bar reversal though. I don't like that outside bar reversal. Skip it. It does trigger the trap here. Or fails like entry long underneath the 20 MA. Got this like kind of just channel here right now working. I mean, it looks like it wants to push down. What can I say? That's what it feels like. The fact that it couldn't get back up here makes me feel like it's going to go down. There's a lot of selling pressure here. Or the fact that we couldn't get back up. The fact that we couldn't even hit the previous day's low. Every time we attempted it, we failed. Makes me feel like we're going to keep going down here. And also, it would happen because it would take me up perfectly by the tick before it really starts to make the strong move down. I mean, the market obviously will do that today. Obviously, it's trying to do that to us. H4 setup. Bottom of the trading range. Maybe back to the top of the trading range. Ugh. I don't know, pandas. This looks really bearish. What can I say? This looks bearish. Like, it looks like it wants to keep dripping. It looks like it wants to keep... Just looking at the wicks here, reacting off the 20 MA like this, seeing the 20 MA curve down like this, I just feel like this is on a downtrend right now. What can I say, pandas? That's just how I feel. Multiple pushes down here.
10,000 tick trap.
Coming back to the 20 MA. Solid bull bar ending near its high. Let's see if we can get above the 20 MA here. If we can get back above the 20 MA, then I'll just say trading range. I have no idea what's happening. Sit on my pause. How many accounts, if you guys could, how many accounts would you guys like to have? And where do you feel comfortable with how many accounts? And of course, you have to spend your own money. You can't just magically get it. But what is your goal in terms of how many accounts you'd like to achieve?
10,000 tick trap.
20 accounts? You guys are dropping money for... Goodness gracious. You guys are just ridiculous right now. Let's be reasonable here. I mean, can you even pass one account? Can you even pass one eval? Are you guys even as close as good as Bye Money? Be able to pass the 300K live on stream, 24/7 stream? Can you guys even do that? I mean, if you can't even do that, don't even think about 20 accounts. Getting a push down here again, pandas. I mean, what can I say? It would take me out to the tick and then go its way. Go to the target that I thought was going to go, which is the daily 20 EMA. It would do that. It would. Cody M, 15 PA. Oh my God, you guys. You guys need to chill out. You guys already have 15 plus accounts. That is wild. So you guys are not kidding. You guys are serious about 20 accounts. All right. I thought you guys were trolling, but you guys really want 20 accounts. Let's go, baby. Hey, perfect time to do it. BBM 90. Getting accounts is never been cheaper. Never been cheaper. Never been cheaper is the key word. It has been as cheap, but never cheaper. Man. All right. You guys are confident, huh? You guys are all like, 20 accounts easy, of course. Dumb question. 20. I thought it'd be like most of you guys were maybe like 2 accounts. 5 accounts is like a lot, right? Because again, if you have... I usually use the example of 4 accounts. If you can make $100 a day, and if you have 4 accounts, you can make $100K a year, right? The math is easy, right? 4 times 250 equals 1,000. If you can make $100 a day, then it's, you multiply that by 100 or 1,000, and then that's how much you can make at the end of the year, 100,000. Right? You do 4 times 250 because that's how many trading days are in a year, and then you multiply that the average you make per day. That's how much you can make at the end of the year. So that's why that's why I'm saying, like, even 5 accounts is good. It's a lot. It's probably more than what you guys even need. So 20 accounts. If you're talking about 20 accounts and if you make $100 a day, that means you're making
10,000 tick trap.
You're making $500,000 a year. $500,000 a year. Seriously, have 20 accounts, only trade big mamas, and walk out with 100, 500, $500,000 a year. It's that easy. I just gave you the path to wealth. You're welcome, pandas. You're welcome. Basically, give you a money printing strategy with Big Mama. We got a trap trade here. Do I like it? Not really. Everything's confusing right now. Everything's kind of confusing. You could say this: break a trend new low with a H4 setup, and the trap trade maybe back to the top of the trading range. Okay, I can see that happening. It's a nice looking signal bar. Risk is quite large though. 1, 2, 3.5 points. Almost 4-point risk here. Overlapping bars. We're right in the middle of a trading range as well. It makes sense to get to the bottom, back to the top. There's barely enough room to get back to the top of the trading range, but there is room. Yeah, and you want 500K a year? Here, this is how you do it. Ooh. Trade copier works with 20 counts. Yes. It works with as many accounts as you want, really. Wow. I can't believe most of you guys want 20 accounts. That's crazy. You guys are... Does the competence match the confidence? That's what I want to know. That's what you need to know. Yes, you can use the trade copier on the eval. That's the best way to pass. If you guys want to know how to pass evals, the best way to do it. The best way to do it. I'm not saying the... Okay, sorry. The easiest way to do it. I'm not saying the best way. It depends on how you define best. But the easiest way to pass evals is with news. And we have 2 potential news items coming up before the end of the sale. And I think next week, the GDP on Thursday is probably your best chance, your best bet. And after that, it'll be FOMC meeting minutes the Wednesday before the sale ends. So you got potential 2 news items that you could do like a make or break type trade and potentially pass your evals in one single trade. It's the easiest way to pass your evals, and if your objective is to get funded, then that is it. That's the best way to do it. I've done this for a long time, and that is the easiest way and best way to get funded. What does trade copier cost? It's about I think it's like 150 or something like that. I should really get on the Replicanta game. I think they have like a affiliate link. I should because I'm certain I've sold a lot of trade copiers. I'm sure. 20p accounts is about 3,000.
$10,000 tick trap.
All right, L4 setup. Maybe come back to the top of the trading range. Not so bearish anymore. I'm kind of glad, pandas, because all that FOMO I had, if we broke this low, all that FOMO that I had would just kicked in and just be like, oh, I can't believe it took me out to the tick, and then finally just crashed down without me. This looks like a double bottom right now, like 1, 2, 3 triple test. Also here, 1, 2, 3 triple test does push down, and we're in a trading range right now. What can I say? We are just in a solid trading range. It can't be any more clear than this, I think. Maybe I should start scalping this trading range. Maybe I should try. I'll sell near the top, scale in once, and take the double loss. What is this? What is this sloppy choppiness here? Dare I say triangle? Maybe? It's just barely enough room to make a scalp though, with stop orders at least. You would come with limit orders above here. Limit orders down here. Wow, what kind of day is this? Sitting on my paws here still.
$10,000 tick trap.
You really have to consider coming with like a limit order up here if you're going to take this range, scalp this range. Solid bull bar ending on its high. It finally broke above this pivot high. I'm kind of glad it did. I'm kind of glad it did before crashing down. Basically retesting the previous day's low here. Will we get a nice bounce off of it is a question, huh? Curious to see what happens here. Okay. Could have scalped that, I guess. Aaron Corn has failed breakout, perhaps. Perhaps. This is wacky. Mo7 says, I'm planning to fade breakouts to see if it works better than breakouts. It really depends on the market cycle. If you're in like a if you have a choppy market cycle, then breakouts most likely will fail. Ooh, okay, we're coming back in to our range here. Give me a lower high and maybe I'll take it. Second entry short forming on the 5-minute chart.
5-minute trap.
I don't know. Give me a lower high setup. Be interested. Strong bear bar. Ending near its low. Okay, still in the trading range, marked by the trading range indicator. We have a trading range here on trading range indicator. Also, 10,000 tick chart trading range is similar. Also bouncing off of the 20 EMA with a nice signal bar. It's the first entry though. 5-minute chart going completely sideways. Interesting. Curious. Okay. What in the world's happening? Do I really want to take a short here? I mean, it's a limit order market. Very hard to enter this. Very hard to enter. No setups really. I'm gonna eat some panda treats while we wait. I have no idea what's going on. Well, I know what's going on. You can see what's happening. It's a limit order market in a channel that's going upwards. But I have no idea how to trade this. I don't know when the timing is good. I don't know if I should start shorting here. Should I start going long down here and just keep doing that until I lose? I don't know. Yeah, pandas. How do we have 79 votes but only 29 likes, pandas? Make sure you scalp that like button. 80 votes, 29 likes. Come on. I know you guys enjoy the content. It helps out this channel a lot, especially because I'm shadow banned. It's confirmed I'm shadow banned. I'm in the shadow realm. I'm in the darkness. Tortoise failed an account. Darn. Your time is coming. I'll say that right now. Your time is coming. 90% off is the perfect time to put in your chips. Strike when the iron's hot. All right, we're pushing up now, pandas. So I just don't know what to do here. I don't know how to trade this. What am I supposed to do? You know, I'm going to reload my historical because I need an excuse to do something here. All right, pushes down. What the? What the? What the? What in the world is going on? Okay, strong bear bar ending on its low. Near its low, but off the 20 EMA. Amazing. Would I draw this as a question? I mean, this is still good. What can I say? Still a decent channel to be using. Even when you had the pierced it up here, reverses strongly. Buying it down here. No idea. No idea. Cycle Clamps asks, speaking of accounts, is there any reason not to get the one-time fee PA rather than the monthly fee? It depends on how long you can keep those accounts alive. With the 50K account, I believe the lifetime fee is about 2 months worth. And so if you can keep your accounts longer than 2 months, then it's worth paying the lifetime fee. But the bigger the accounts, the more the fee is. And so if you find yourself busting your PA accounts a lot, then it's kind of better just to pay them monthly, because most likely you'll bust it before you can really reap the benefits or save money on the lifetime fee. Yeah, so 50K account is less than 2 months worth of fees. It's less than 2 months worth of fees, but it's lifetime. So, you know, it just depends. You can't switch in the middle. That's the thing. You gotta make a decision right there. Right there and then. What is happening? Strong bear bar and no follow through. It just bounces right. I could have literally bought limit orders on the bottom of this channel, sold at the top. Should I just try it? Is it too late, pandas? Is it too late? Should I just here? Right here? Oh my. I'm just not used to trading with limit orders. Here, like this, here. We're gonna play ping pong right now. We're gonna buy down here, sell up here, let's see what happens. Watch me, the moment I do this is just gonna just rip my face off. Still disappointed in this. Darn, we had four contracts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 contracts. That's $1,000 basically of profit I lost. What can you do though? It had potential. It had great potential. Can I attach it to these channels here? Oh, channels have no plots. Interesting. This is an experimental strategy, pandas. Okay. Missed my fill by 1 tick. Am I being too conservative here? I'll do like a 1-to-1 risk reward. Does that make sense? A limit order. The moment I enter a limit order, it's gonna take me out. It's too bullish. Come on, come back down. I'm so scared right now, pandas. I just want to get out of this. I want to skunk. Oh, hello. Oh, my trading is the easiest thing I've done in my entire life. It's that simple, pandas. It's that simple. Oh, it just tickled it. Pandas. Trading is the easiest thing I've done in my entire life. Let's go, baby. Easy peasy, easy money. See, the thing about trading is literally you just look at the pattern and keep doing what the pattern does. That's the secret of trading, pandas. Easy. Easiest thing I've ever done. Trading, if you can't make money trading, it's because you're stupid. You're dumb. You're just straight dumb. You don't know what you're doing with your life. If you didn't make that trade, you're terrible at trading. I'm just kidding, pandas. That was the most risky trade ever. I would not recommend. I was so scared the entire time. Actually, I got really lucky. I just got right there. But hey, pandas, we're gonna try it again at the bottom. That's what this channel has turned into. Experimental strategies here. These are all experimental strategies we're taking on this channel only. What we'll call that gambling. Calculated. It's calculated. It's all calculated. This trade down here, calculated. It's gonna be a second entry short though, pandas, on the 5-minute chart. Look at this 5-minute chart. It's just looking wacky right now. It's just trying to get back to that 20 EMA, back to home base. Jeez, a huge gap here. I don't feel comfortable at all. Uh-oh, you don't want the orange. You hate to see orange. All right, we're good. Pandas, we're gonna do it again. It's a 1-to-1 risk reward. 1-to-1 risk reward here. Hell, Jimmy's asking where the real panda go. He's here. I think I lost something. Ever since yesterday's like negative $2,500 trade, I've lost it. I've lost it, pandas. I've lost it. Trading is not real anymore. Trading's not real. It's all an illusion. I was down like 2,500 yesterday. I'm up like 1,800 today. It's absolutely insane. I could have been up a lot more. I was up $1,000 on that runner. Ooh, almost got filled here. Wasn't paying attention. Was talking about some nonsense. Pandas. Pandas. All right. It's bouncing off the 20 EMA. Look at every single time it gets to the bottom here. Easiest strategy ever. I don't feel good about this one though, pandas. Right? You know, something feels a little off about this time, no? This time feels a little different. This time feels a little different. This doesn't feel right. Pandas, this doesn't feel right. Something's wrong. It doesn't feel right. It just doesn't feel right. What can I say? But I will show you the easiest strategy of all time. You just look at what the market's been doing and you just do the same thing. Oh, this doesn't look right though, pandas.
10,000 tick trap.
Something's wrong. Something's not right. Something's wrong. We're closing underneath this channel now. That's not part of the plan. This is not part of the plan. Oh no. Oh no. Come back up. Something's not right. Get out. No. No. Oh, we're still alive. We're still alive. 1-to-1 risk reward ratio. It's all good, pandas. Right? We win one, we lose one, we break even, right? That's just how it goes. That's how it goes. I'm scared.
10,000 tick
Oh
trap.
my goodness. Oh my god. Oh my god. Skunk. I'm skunking this. I'm scared. I just skunked it, pandas. I'm too much of a wuss. I'm just too much of a wuss. The reason being is because the 5-minute to second inches short's going to trigger here. And I do not want to be part of that. I do not want to be part of that, pandas. I don't want to be part of that. I skunked it. I'm a wuss. I didn't stick to the plan. I got scared. I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm just I'm just trading with limit orders. I never do it, but this market is a limit order market, so I figured the best time to do it is now, and it looks like it might even work out now. What can I say? What can I say? I should have just kept it. I should have kept it. Should have kept it. No. Jeez. Sonic is doing it. It's looking good though. 2 points. 2 points. Pandas. Pandas. I should have just stayed in it. I should have stayed in it. I don't know why. I don't know why I got rid of that. Trap on a 10,000 tick chart about to form. This is a really good setup here if actually triggers. Man, but it's so choppy. 20 EMA rising up. I can try to swing. One contract and see how high it can go. We do got the trap triggering here. I could swing with one contract on a 10,000 tick chart. It'll be a 1-to-1 risk reward ratio, what you're looking for. It's a trap trade. I just don't like the market cycle we're in right now. I feel like the market cycle is not too good. I'm going to actually take it at the 20 EMA on the 5-minute. And then I'm going to basically take my profit out there. 10,000 tick chart triggers a trap trade. And we're basically doing like a 1-to-1 risk reward ratio here. And it's one contract. It's okay. I think it's worth it. It's just, it's a good setup. But the market cycle currently, it just feels very choppy. It doesn't feel like it has clear direction. But what can I say? We are going upwards. So we can attempt it. We can attempt it here. It's not the worst trade ever. It's one of the worst trades ever, but it's not the worst trade ever. While we wait for this to play out, pandas, I'll go over some of my trades I took off stream just to show how terrible yesterday was. So I traded mostly the 5-minute chart yesterday, and I got destroyed. I got chopped up. What can I say? After stream, I took this long here off this trap, and I got taken out to the tick. Then I went long again, ended up scalping out. So that took me out to the tick. The prem was still good. It ends up being a second entry long, and I just scalp it. I go long here and end up taking out the core of my scalp out, and then I went in again and then skunked, or basically just scalped a 1 point trade. And then you see I get taken out here by the tick, to the tick of my runner, and after that the runner just goes off. So yesterday I was kept getting hit to the tick, and that was so infuriating. I was so infuriated. I was like on tilt almost for most of the day. It was very frustrating. What can I say? We make it a second entry long here on 2000 tick chart. I'll enter this second entry long just as a normal trade, perhaps. Yeah, second entry long. It's an outside bar reversal. I prefer not to be outside bar reversal, but it is an outside bar reversal. Give me a nice push up here, please. Give me a nice push up. Solid push up here. Solid bull bar. 10,000 tick chart. Right, this is your entry on the trap. Let's get some follow through. That'd be beautiful. That's what we need. We need some follow through here now. Multiple closes above the 20 MA on the 10,000 tick, showing us bullishness on the 10,000 tick chart. The 5-minute chart still underneath the 20 MA, but going up towards the 20 MA. So hopefully we can get to it. Okay. So that traps. The second entry long traps here. It's all good. Sit on our pause. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 point stop loss. Almost looking for a 1-to-1 here. Oh, okay. Second entry short. It's not looking good. That trap is not looking good on 10,000 tick chart. Why have you betrayed me? 10,000 tick. We still have the 20 made to protect us though on the 10,000 tick. So it's all good. It's all good. Okay. As long as we close above the 20 MA, I think we're okay here. What are you doing? 10,000 tick trap. Why have you betrayed me? I thought we were friends. Oof. 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 10,000 tick trap failing. Incredible. Alright. Do what you want. 10,000 tick trap failing just like that. No problem. Overlapping bars. I did mention I didn't like it because I felt like the market cycle right now was not very clear. It felt very choppy, and the direction didn't seem very clear, so I didn't feel comfortable taking it, but ended up taking it anyways. And yeah, you get hit. Take the proper stop loss. Take the whole range there. It's all good. It is what it is. Pandas, man. I mean, when the market looks like this on the smaller time frame, the 10,000 tick chart does not look strong. I mean, you have all this overlap. So even with that trap, you're like, do you even like it? Not really. The price action right there was not for us right there. It's definitely not for us. I do believe we'll get one nice setup here though, sometime today. Yeah, one nice setup, please. Man, look at this limit order market just going chopping up and down, all the way up. It does not look pretty. It's not really something you could trade unless you're buying limit orders, of course. Whew.
$10,000 tick trap.
If we get up to this position again,
trap.
I'm going long. Trap trade on the 5-minute chart. 2 contracts this time. Whew. All right, we're about to trigger here.
Five-minute trap.
There we go. Trap on the 5-minute chart now. We're going to attempt it again. Same setup on the 5-minute chart. 2 contracts this time. If we get a second entry long here, I'll take it with another contract. 5-minute chart. Trap trade. Up to 20 EMA is what we're looking for. Right, that second entry short fails. A, B, C. Second short fails. Reverses, back go. Hooey. Here we go. People still limit order market, selling at the top, buying at the bottom here. Okay, forget it. No joy. No joy in that setup. Limit order market right here. Complete limit order market. Top to the bottom, to the top, to the bottom. One, two, three, 4. Man, this is not pretty. I mean, when your 5-minute chart looks like this, so much overlap on all the bars, so much overlap on the 10,000 tick chart. 2,000 tick chart's not much better. Okay, pushing down. convention will say I should go long here, back to the top of this trading range. So convention will have me do, which I should be doing. No idea. No idea what to do here. Just sitting on my pause, pandas. I lost 2 in a row. That last one was semi-big hit. Basically 5-point loss. It's $250.
10,000 tick trap.
Nothing to do. Micro triple bottom here, or micro triple top off the 20 MA. Jeez, what a market today. Don't get chopped up. Be safe, pandas. You gotta be looking to go from the bottom to top. Buy low, sell high strategy today. Okay. Maybe with a higher low, I'll look to go
trap.
long. 5-minute trap may still be there. Ugh, but underneath the 20 MA and yeah, I don't know. Super choppy, overlapping. Trap trade? Maybe it's worth it. Maybe it's worth it. Just to get a little push up here. I would love a higher low setup here. I mean, I was almost kidding when I said just buy here, you know, sell here, or sorry, buy here, sell here. Almost kidding, but actually it's kind of true. Like, if the market was trying to tell you something, it's telling you, hey, this is our range. Sell here, buy here. We're telling you very clearly what to do. But of course, I'm a panda, so I don't really, my IQ is real low, so we're not gonna pay attention to that. Of course, I'm not gonna pay attention to that at all. Why would we pay attention to something that's obvious when we could do something that's not obvious? Upgrading to the new NT didn't really cause any issues for me. It's just going to be a little different because you have to log in now. I think they do like cloud-based authentication. So another inside bar. Jeez, why don't I just sell here and buy down here? I should be buying right here. What am I doing, pandas? I should just buy right here. What am I doing? Why aren't I buying right here? Why am I not buying? I should just be buying no matter what. Trap trade, but it's complete range here. The 5 minute is a O-I pattern. Breakout mode. Jeez. Complete chop today. Complete chop today, huh? It's not my strategy, but people who love ranges are probably having a field day here. Sell here, buy here, sell here, buy here until they lose.
10,000 tick trap.
I could cascade this. I could try. All right. I could try to cascade this.
Five-minute trap.
10,000 tick chart and 5-minute chart showing traps here. Is it OII pattern here? Breakout mode. My God. Oh my God. Look at this price action, pandas. Why am I even trading? I should be enjoying my day today. I should be turning off the charts, enjoying my day, spending some time outside with Mrs. Panda. That's all I should be doing today. But instead, I'm staring at this chart, for some reason doing this super risky trade. What am I doing with my life right now? What is happening? That's what I should be doing. Oh, this market. Outside's overrated. 5 out of 10. Outside. Who needs outside when you have inside? When you could be outside while you're inside. Why take the time to step outside when you can spend $3,000 on the new Apple headset and virtually be outside while you're sitting on the couch? Why? Why would we ever need to go outside again? Let's create this triangle here. It is in breakout mode. Okay. Okay, we technically broke out of it. We broke out of the triangle. Technically, we did. What is happening? Look at this price action. It looks like a dinosaur or something. It's like 2 legs, long neck, and like a bright dinosaur with his head. Kind of look like this. Pandas, I don't know what's happening. Nothing's happening. That's what's happening. What is this? Pandas! Thanks for tuning in where nothing happens in the market. I do appreciate it. Make sure you scalp that like button. We got 116 votes on the chat with only 138 viewers, but only 49 likes, Pandas. Hey, if you can do the poll, you can surely scalp that like button. Almost takes the same effort. Probably takes less effort. Okay. Sure, let's try. I'm game. I'm game if you're game. Failed breakdown and it's pushing up now. So people getting trapped here. Jeez. Is my timing off though? Wow. Okay, strong bull bar. Any near its high. Good news if you want to go long. Alright, we're in a nonsense trade here. 5-minute trap. 10,000 tick chart trap. Completely above the 20 MA. Riding above it. This trade makes no sense. But welcome to my channel. Where we take trades that make no sense. Why is this different? I don't understand. Come on! Come on, you can do it! You can do it! You can do it! Yes! Yes! Whoever said that was a nonsense trade has no idea what they're talking about, Pandas. Obviously, that trade made a lot of sense. It was a smart trade, Pandas. It was a smart trade, trust me. I know what I'm doing. I'm a professional. 5-minute chart touching the 20 MA perfectly. That's why my take profit was right there. We finally tapped the 20 MA. Time to reverse, Pandas. Peter Cho went max contracts. Let's go, baby. You got the cojones of steel. You got little diamond cojones. Goodness gracious, Pandas. Nothing happened. Finally, we got a little teeny burst upwards. That was the most action we saw today. Water chestnut. Raisins. Grapes. Grapes out of water, raisins in water. Mrs. Panic can get that Birkin now. What's a Birkin? Guess where it bounces off? The 20 EMA. There was a person here who said a 20 EMA meant nothing, and we had some fun. Marilyn Liu asks, "Hey Panda, curious on why you didn't put plus 951 in your YouTube captions today. I thought you're the most profitable trader on YouTube because you track your account balance in the title. Curious." Curious. It's true, but I'm trying to work the algorithm right now. I should have done it. I am tracking it still, and you guys can keep track of the top left. But right now, I'm trying to work the algorithm, and because I'm shadow banned, for some reason I don't show up. When you look up live futures trading, if you search that, I don't show up to like the 80th result. And people have different results. But sometimes if you turn the live filter on, for some reason I'm like number 80 something. And so I'm trying to work the algo. I'm going to be working with this title for a little bit right now until I feel the algo is in my favor. I don't know. Fail second entry long here, maybe. Mo7 says, you don't even show up on my subs live. See, I'm shadow banned for some reason. I'm like shadow banned. I don't know why. It's super frustrating. 20k subs, 124 viewers, and people who have about 3 viewers on their show up before mine. Second entry long here, but not interested. We're bouncing off the 20 EMA on the 5-minute chart. PLM, guys. I should make PLM shirts. More cowbell. I got a disease. Second entry long here. Not interested, even though it's clearly above the 20 May. I feel like we're at resistance, so I'm not gonna go long right into it. And how frustrating is that, pandas? The 10,000 tick chart. I go long here, right, for that trap. I even put my stop loss 2 ticks underneath the signal bar. And it takes me out perfectly to the tick and then finally goes up. How frustrating is that? Same pattern as yesterday. Taking me out to the tick. The 5-minute chart, like I mentioned, took me out to the tick here. Took me out to the tick here. It just keeps taking me out to the tick. And then goes the way I want it to go. Pandas! What's going on? Why? ABC. I think this week was probably this is probably one of the worst weeks I've had in trading for a while. Pretty bad. To the tick. Like yesterday and today, price action, not it. It's not it. Like if you enjoy price action that looks like this, you're built different. What can I say? You're built different. If you love this price action, you're built different. 5-minute chart. If you like this price action, you're built different. What can I say? I'm built regular. I'm a regular build. That's it. I'm not even F150. I'm a Highlander. That's all I am. That's it. You guys are built different if you enjoy days like this. I'll say this though. Big Mama. Delicious. Absolutely delicious. Turtle toes. I'm a Fiero. I blow up when I get hit. Mike G says he's a Prius. Actually, the new Prius looks pretty cool. They actually put like a functional sun, like a solar panel on the top, and it like charges like 2% a day, maybe. I think if you're like out all day, it charges 2%. I mean, it's very little, but it's not nothing. If you really need that extra little burst, that little extra mileage, That 2% can go a long ways, especially if it's continuous. Make sure you guys use BBM 90% off your evals for the first month, 80% off for the recurring months. Hope you guys enjoy that and take advantage of it while it lasts. You know, I'm surprised BBM 90s right now. Usually they just do the 80% off, but now they are going back to the 90% off, and it's nice. And yeah, what can I say? I'm thankful. So, and that's it. Trader Street says Big Mama is good to you. Mrs. Panda can't have issues about that. Yeah. As long as Big Mama is not, as long as Big Mama's not a real person. I know. Mrs. Panda don't care. All right, pandas. I mean, we're up 1,700. Can't complain about that. Having a nice green day today. And gonna close the stream out here. Have an amazing weekend, everybody. Seriously, have a good weekend. Hope you guys enjoy it. Really take the time to spend time with those you love. Do the things that you love. If you're beginning trading, I understand. If you want to just sit there and study charts, that makes sense too. You got to get better every single day. You got to put your 10,000 hours in. You know, if you're complaining and you still haven't put your 10,000 hours in, if you guys don't know, 10,000 hours is basically 5 years of 8 hours a day, right, of trading. So 8 times 40 times, right? 8 times 40 because 40 hours in a week. And then you times that by 52 because 52 weeks in a year. And never mind, it takes about 1 year. 10,000 hours. 8 hours times 40, it's 320, times 52. You could do it in 1 year. You gotta spend 8 hours a day. What, 52, 40 hours a week. Yeah, that makes sense. All right. 10,000 divided by, let's say, 10,000 divided by 365, divided by, let's say, like 4, divided by 5. All right, let's do this. How about this? We'll do this. 10,000 divided by 365. Wait, 10,000 divided by 4. 10,000 divided by 4. Divide that by, let's say, let's make 250. Am I tripping here? 10 hours a day. Am I doing that right, Pen? My brain is not working anymore. I believe you need to do 10 hours a day to get 10,000 hours in a year, right? 10 hours times 250. That's how many trading days are in a year. Yeah, times 4. All right. You need about 10 hours a day of trading. 10 hours a day of just looking at charts and trading. Monday through Friday. And it'll take 4 years. 4 years if you can do that consistently. 4 years. So if you still haven't gotten it in 4 years, you can't complain because you didn't put your 10,000 hours in. You can't complain. 3 hours at 8. I mean, that's if you do it every single day. I don't think anyone does anything every single day other than breathe and eat. Sometimes you don't forget to breathe, but times 8 times 250. No, that'll take 5 years. Take 5 years. If you did Monday through Friday. If you included the weekends, then it's a little different. All right, pandas. Yeah, have an amazing weekend. I'll see you guys bright and early on Monday, and Yeah. 9:15 for the mainstream, 9 o'clock for the pre-market show. Have a great time and trade safe. And see you guys then. As always, happy trading. God bless. Bye.